coffee kombucha. Kombucha is traditionally made with tea, but today we're gonna be using coffee. It's really crazy. Make yourself a strong coffee. The sourer the coffee, the better, because the SCOBY will like that environment. This amount I'm doing for 2.5 liters, so I'm making a coffee concentrate. While the coffee is brewing, we're preparing our sugar. For 2.5 liters, we need 150 grams of sugar. That's 1 strong cup of coffee. Now we want to dissolve the sugar with the coffee. Make sure you always have extra kombucha SCOBYs, because as soon as you make a coffee kombucha SCOBY, you can't use it for anything else after that again. It's gonna be too caffeinated. We want to cool this down because we don't want our SCOBY to be burnt by this hot coffee. It should not burn. If you put your finger in for 10 seconds and it doesn't hurt, you can use it and put it with your SCOBY. I'm gonna add some more water to fill up our 2 liters. Now we need to let it sit aerobic with a open mouth, cloth on top, for a good 7 days, and then we can bottle it and enjoy some coffee kombucha. I can teach you in our online academy all about SCOBYs and how to make these projects like kombucha, even coffee kombucha, water kefir, milk kefir, and all sorts of other cool projects. Check out the link in the bio.